Hi guys, today I will show you how to save this headphone. So this is a Audio Technica ATH S500. So this is a couple of years old. So I think I purchased this one in 2014, and it's still working, and I like the sound of this one, but the problem is the pads. So normally you can replace the pads. So for example, I can remove the pads. So in order to purchase replacement pad, you need to measure this one, the diameter of the headphone. So in this case, it is 7 centimeters. Okay, so I purchased a replacement headphone pads in online. So this one is also 7. Okay, so I will put a link in the video description on the possible place where you can buy this one. Okay, so make sure that the diameter is just correct. So this one is 7 centimeters, and that was also 7. And I will also remove the other one. Removing is easier compared to, so this is the broken one. So removing the pad is easier comparing to putting a new one. Okay, let's see. Okay, see. Looks a little bit smaller, but let's see. Okay. Okay, I put on the first one, then I will show you the other one. It's not easy. Okay. Okay. Slowly one on. Okay, like this. Have to stretch it a little bit. Turn a little bit. that's it. Everything is in place. Then turn to make sure it is fitted properly. Okay, that's it. So now I have a brand new headphone. Okay, so that's it. You can see this one looks like new. This one is the faulty one. So I gave life to this old headphone. So again, please hit subscribe and thank you for watching.